What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you how to purchase cryptocurrencies. Since cryptocurrency been picking up a lot of momentum and it's been just keep going up and up in the past 7 days, there is a lot of interest and a lot of people are searching how to buy. And in this video, I'm going to show you one of the easiest and the safest way to do that. But before I show you how to do that, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into anything. So there are many crypto exchanges, centralized exchanges, kind of like this one, Bitunix, but I'm going to show you two my favorite ones. They're the easiest ones and they're being used by millions of people. So my favorite one, it's Coinbase.com. This is the one that's based from United States and it's offered in pretty much most of the countries in this world. And the second one is Robinhood. Robinhood also really good exchange and offers crypto, offers stocks and much more. But we're going to take a look at Coinbase. So over here, you can click on individual and you can see they offering crypto, prediction market. This is one of the new ones, derivatives, stocks, sales, and much more. Also, you can get a credit card and debit card with them as well. Then for business, institution, developers, and for companies. So if we scroll down a little bit, like I said, it's trusted by million users worldwide, and you can trade leverage trade here, and then you can also trade stocks. This is something new that they actually added onto their platform. And then in here, you can see what's tradable, top gainers, and new on Coinbase. They constantly adding new tokens. And then prediction market and many powerful tools for advanced traders as well. So first thing, what you need to do, you need to sign up. Just click on a sign up. If you don't have an account already, then just click on sign up. And then in here, you just need to choose personal, business, institutional, developers, personal, and then just put your email and then go through the process. Also, you'll have to verify with your ID or with passport, with something, so that way they know exactly who you are. Once you're going to complete onboarding all the sign up steps, then you can log in to your Coinbase account. And I'm going to switch to another browser where I'm already signed in. Once you're going to log in, this is what you're going to be presented with. We're not going to go over every single tab or everything they offer. I'm just going to show you what you need to do to actually purchase cryptocurrency. This is going to be your home, your dashboard, and this is where you're going to be able to purchase your cryptocurrency. However, first you'll have to add some kind of payment method. They offer many different options. In the top right corner, press on this button, and this is where you're going to see your account. Press on settings. This is going to appear, and in here, just press on payment methods. And in here, you're going to be able to see all your added payment methods. I have a couple of them set up, but then you'll just see add payment method. Once you press on that, they offer bank account, debit card, wire transfer. Just choose one of them and go through the process. Once you're gonna set it up, then you're gonna be able to go back home, and in here, just press on buy if it's not already selected. Choose your payment method, whatever is available, and then choose cryptocurrency that you're purchasing. So let's say switch to crypto right here. Let's say we're gonna buy XRP. Let's say we're gonna spend $20. For $20, we're gonna be getting 12.5 XRP. Then you can review your order. It's going to show you exactly how much you're paying for each token, what are you paying with, and the transaction or trade is going to be instant. And then just press on buy now. Most likely you'll have to also set up two-factor authentication, so that way in case if someone's going to get into your account, it's not going to be easy to buy. And that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do to start buying or investing into cryptocurrency. Good luck to everybody, and thanks for watching.